Hi, this is Venkatarana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss top level programs in C 9. This is continuation to previous video. Part 2, Unit access and read-only fields in C 9. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is top level programs? If you want to write any simple statement like console.writeLine, then we need to write a lot of boilerplate code like class and main method. So using top level programs, we can avoid boilerplate code. The primary goal of the feature top level programs is to allow C# programs without unnecessary boilerplate around them for the sake of learners and the clarity of code. We'll discuss this point using Visual Studio Preview. Launch Visual Studio Preview and create C# application. Here we have C# program. This program contains namespace and class name is program and it contains main method. We'll write one simple statement to print hello world console dot writeLine hello world. Here we need to print this statement. To print this statement, we need to write this code. This code is unnecessary. To avoid this boilerplate code, we'll use top level programs. We'll execute this program, Control F5. Here we are getting output as hello world. Now in the place of this code, we'll write top level program. Remove this code. Here we have namespace using system. Later write top level program console dot writeLine hello world. Execute this code, Control F5. Here we are getting output as hello world. Here we don't have class and main method to execute this program. We have only this statement. If we execute this program, we are getting output. How we are getting output? We'll see this output in Sharplab website. Open browser. Here sharplab.io. Enter it. Here we have different languages like C#, Visual Basic, F#. What I can do, I'll remove this code. Here we'll write statement like console.writeLine console.writeLine hello world. We need to execute this program. Here we have code C# and we write this statement. Later on right side we have results. Under this drop down, select run. Here we are getting output as hello world. Here we don't have main method and class program, but we are getting output. We'll see what will happen if we compile this program. Here select C#. This is top level statement. If we write this statement, then this program will be compiled as like here class program main method. Main method contains one statement. If you execute this program, this statement will execute. If you write this statement, internally C# compiler will generate this program. So here we have main method. Main method is an entry point for an execution. So it will execute the program. We'll write other code snippet. Remove this statement. For int I equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, console dot writeLine dollar I is even number. Here we are getting some error, parenthesis expected. So here add parenthesis. We will execute this program. Go to drop down, click on run. Here we are getting output as 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number. Here we don't have class and main method, but this code is executing. Go to this drop down, click on C#. This code is generated like here class program main method. Main method contains for loop and this main method will execute this code and will get the output. Now open Visual Studio Preview. We can write any type of code in top level statements. Remove this code. We'll create one class program. It contains two methods, public void test console.writeLine test method, public static void display console.writeLine display method. Now this class contains one instance method, one static method. Now we need to execute these methods. Here, what we can do, create object for program class to invoke test method, that is instance method, program p equal to new program p dot test displays the static method. If you want to execute static methods, then we'll use class name dot method name. Here class name is program dot display. We'll debug this program. Click F11. Here we create an object for program class and invoke test method. A test method is executing. Here we have output like test method. F11. Invoke static method. Here display method is executing and display the output like display method. Here we have class and two static methods. We don't have main method, but this program is executing due to top level statements. Top level statements is introduced in C#9. We'll copy this program and open browser. Here copy the code, Ctrl V. Here we have program class. It contains two methods. Here we create object for program class and call the test method. Later using class name, we call the static method. Go to this drop down, click on run. Here we have output like test method, display method. Go to drop down, click on C#. Here C# compiler will convert this program into in this way. Like here class program, it contains main method. In the main method we create object for program class and invoke the test method. Later invoke display method using class name. Here we have program class, it contains two methods. Due to top level statements, we can avoid boilerplate code like main method and class. We can write any type of code using top level statements. Top level statements will be helpful for new programmers. It will reduce the number of lines of code. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.